Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Today is my 100th restoration, and I thought I'd pick a 1967 GTO and do it up like the one I drove for 2 years in high school. I got this one from Charlie over at Big Charlie's Model Garage. Let's get started. Drill out our rivet post, starting with the 1/16 drill bit to drill down in the post for the 256 tap and screws. Then I drill out the mushroom with a little bit bigger bit. This was the 4th year of the GTO, which came out in '64. I had a '65. I had 266s and 267. This is the one I drove in high school. It cost me back then $700. Woohoo! The only real difference from this and a '66 was the '66 had the little louvers or awnings over the rear tail light. '67 they left them just sticking out there. Mine had a 400 engine and a 3-speed transmission. Which came out of a '68 or a '69 that somebody had totaled. I used to swap cars with my buddy at that time. He'd get tired of them, and then I'd buy them from him at the same price he paid for them. Pardon my Momo in the background barking. Getting our 256 button head screws in. To our favorite stripper, get the Cocoa Puff off of there. I don't know what Hot Wheels was thinking about with some of these decals. Getting our first coat of the metallic gold. Mine had Bonneville super wide 50s on the back, so I had to do a little wheel swap, put in an axle tube. Get our windscreen with that ugly orange plastic windscreen. Get it covered up, keep the dust off of it. Here's all the pieces ready to go back together. This is what we started with, a Cocoa Puff Hot Wheels 67 GTO. Here's what we ended up with. My original version, minus the fact that after I had it repainted, I had put on there the gold goat kicks ass on the back end, much to my mother's chagrin. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I got more to come. I also put in all the details, the tail lights, the parking lights. For now, this is Opaw saying goodbye. All those details turned out so nice on this version. Like I said, minus the gold goat kicks ass on the back end, which my mother